dream in my eye. I'll be an example to myself in the tears that I cried.
All right, so I just got a Walmart brand, George brand t-shirt. And just get this straightened out. Just do a quick pre-press. Get any moistures out, flatten out the surface. So you see it got dark when the heat hit it, but that will disappear as the shirt cools. I'm using a kente cloth pattern vinyl that Heat Transfer Warehouse sent me. If you'd like to check that out and any other patterns I got, just hit the affiliate link down below. So with this pattern vinyl, you cut it face up, you don't have to mirror it, and you use a mask, which the mask just acts as the carrier sheet, kind of like using sticker vinyl. So I'll just place this over top. Get my little scraper that I use to make stickers, flatten that out. Make sure to just scrape it so it's stuck to the carrier. Then I remove the backing, so essentially it's a heat transfer sticker that I will place on my shirt. You know, I'm gonna go slow just to make sure everything is stuck. Came off nice and clean. Wrinkled up my shirt a little bit, but quick fix. Make sure my collar is right at the edge of my platen. I'm gonna use my t-shirt ruler for this. I rarely use this anymore because I don't think about it. Just going from the bottom of the collar like normal. And it comes down about typically what the 3 fingers would be, so I don't have to worry about measuring that distance. So this is the first layer of the kente cloth. I will be using 3 different vinyls on here. So I'm gonna just get a quick press on that real quick. Just to tack it. And this is a Caesar brand. I didn't have to go that long. I could, cause it's Caesar. Caesar tacks pretty quick. So that's the first layer. So with this one is a glitter vinyl. I do not remember what brand I use. I've had this for a while. And it's a shackle. Alright, so I'm gonna get my Teflon sheet for that vinyl that's exposed. Just another quick tack. Just to get it down. Just get that off, carrier sheet off. And then so I got one more layer. This is some black on this one. I don't know what I used either, because this is just out of my scrap pile. Just like it's a matte black. I'm not sure what brand it is. It's just something I pulled out of the scraps. Let me get this placement down. That carrier sheet's sticky. Let me get this, cut it down a little bit. Get that centered in the middle. As soon as it touches, stick in my bag. Okay, there we go. So I'm gonna, excuse me, I'm gonna get my Teflon sheet and I'm gonna press it for a full 15 seconds. Alright, so there we go. And you see that square, the square goes away as the darkness goes away as it cools off. So every press it just repeats. Press it one more time just to make sure everything is there. Search done. Sorry that my camera is going out of focus for some reason. I'm not sure why. We gotta go. Juneteenth, 1865. Freedom is calling. Using patterned vinyl and some random vinyls. Like, comment, subscribe if you haven't already.
Going apparel, the dream in my eye. I be an example to myself in the tears that I cry.
So there you go, man. A 4-color. But hold on, I'm gonna